Does he like seeing new people?
Maybe. I think he just screams a lot. That's all that one ever does.
Does he bite?
Oh my gosh, it's been a really long time since you came over. Because we've had those turtles for a really long time. Oh, Shisha.
It's been since Halloween.
Oh, yeah, October 30th. Wow. Baby doesn't bite, but she likes peanuts. Do you want to give her a peanut?
Sure. Which one's that?
Baby's the blue. They both like peanuts. They'll both take peanuts from you. The peanuts are over there in that blue bag.
Do I need to carve them?
No, they'll do it.
One each, like one like that?
Yeah.
Do they go through the thing?
Yeah, John.
So which one's the one that's nice?
Neither. Lucy might let you pet her. Because Lucy likes boys. Lucy's the big gray one. But Baby's afraid of, like, all people. So.
Sorry, hold on. The wrong